What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear window switch on this 2001 BMW 325 Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. I'm going to take this window switch, take a straight blade screwdriver, get underneath here. You can also use a trim tool. Slide this up. There's two little tabs that hold it in. Disconnect the connector right there. Just wiggle it out. All right, take the connector. There is a little tab on the connector that lines up with the switch. Slide that like that. And then make sure you slide the switch in properly. Don't put it in upside down. Lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.